Hi there and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive into a topic close to my heart: building a solid credit history and improving your credit score. Trust me, I've been through the ups and downs of managing credit, and I know how important it is to have a good credit standing. So, let's get started on this journey to financial empowerment. First things first, let's talk about why credit history and credit scores matter. Imagine you're dreaming of buying your first home or starting your own business. These milestones often require borrowing money, and lenders will look at your creditworthiness to determine if you're a responsible borrower. It's like a financial report card that shows how well you manage credit. Building a solid credit history and improving your credit score can unlock doors to better interest rates, loan approvals, and financial opportunities. Trust me, it's worth the effort. Now, let's jump into some practical tips to build that solid credit history. Step 1 is understanding your credit report. It's like a window into your financial world. You can request a free copy from credit bureaus like Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Take the time to review it carefully for any errors or discrepancies. Believe me, I've caught a few mistakes that could have hurt my credit if left unnoticed. If you find any errors, don't hesitate to report them and get them resolved. Step 2 is all about paying your bills on time. This is a crucial step in building a solid credit history. Late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score, and I've learned this the hard way. So, set up reminders, automate payments, or create a budget to ensure you never miss a payment. Being punctual shows lenders that you're responsible and can be trusted with credit. Now, let's talk about credit utilization. It's a fancy term, but it simply means how much of your available credit you're using. Ideally, you want to keep your credit utilization below 30%. Let me give you an example. If you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit, try not to exceed $300. High credit utilization can signal financial instability to lenders. Paying off your balances in full each month can help you maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio. I know you may have some concerns, so let's address a couple of them. One common concern is, what if you have a limited credit history or no credit at all? Trust me, I've been there. In that case, you can start by establishing credit with a secured credit card or becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. These actions can help you build a positive credit history over time. Another concern I hear often is how long it takes to improve your credit score. Well, improving your credit score is like building a strong foundation. It takes time and consistent effort. The time frame depends on various factors like your current score, credit history, and financial habits. But I promise you, by consistently practicing good credit habits, such as paying bills on time and keeping balances low, you'll see positive changes over time. Patience is key here. Before we wrap up, let me give you a quick recap of the key takeaways. 1. Understand your credit report and correct any errors. 2. Pay your bills on time, every time. 3. Keep your credit utilization low, aim for below 30%. 4. Start small if you have a limited credit history or no credit at all. 5. Be patient and consistent in building your credit history and improving your credit score. Remember, building a solid credit history and improving your credit score is a journey, and you're not alone in this. We're here to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more financial fitness content, and don't forget to leave your comments and questions below. Your engagement helps our channel grow and reach more people who can benefit from financial education. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.